Who's in the box? Oh, what's in the box?
Hey guys, welcome back to Jack on Tracks, another episode of What's in the Box. I believe this is an ON30 engine that I got off of eBay for ON30 Bachmann engine. I think I got a really good deal on it. So the other ones I seen like this were at least twice as much. I give them this, packed up pretty good. Let me cut through this clear tape. I know the suspense is killing you, right? It's a little engine. It's pretty freaking cool looking. I've been watching the, going down that YouTube rabbit hole, and those ON30 micro layouts look pretty cool. So I'm thinking sometime in the near future we're going to build one. This is going to be the engine. Just a little handrail goes on that side. Otherwise, it's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty cool looking. It's cute. So it's got a little oxidation on it. It seems bound up, but we'll pull this thing apart, go through the whole thing. I'll take you along for that ride. All right, guys. So as you saw a couple of seconds ago, we did an unboxing. It's a pretty cool looking engine. If you look on it, this thing's definitely been in an area where there was too much moisture. It's a little crowded up, it was a little bound up when I first started. I just put on a test track really quick, and it wasn't moving. But I gave it a little, give the old little thumb dyno, and got it spinning, and it runs all right. But yeah, I plan to take this thing completely apart and go through the whole thing and clean it. This piece right there came unattached in a little bag. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a little, I'll do a little dab of crazy glue on in there, and get it mounted up. All right, just give me 1 second. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I got a little drop of crazy glue right there on the piece of plastic. So I got the glue on there here. They work just like tweezers. Got a little bit of glue in there. Put you in your holes. butchering this. What the? Why is it not going? You just went in 2 seconds ago. Struggle is real, my friends. Hold on. Alright, let's clean these holes out a little bit. There we go. Open that one up. Alright, let's try this again. That one in the hole. That one's in the hole. Alright, everything's in the hole. And the model's made whole again. Alright. I mean, if you can see, there's a little bit of some oxidation right in there. And the bell's a little grungy, some oxidation on here. A little bit of chip, but I mean, I'm probably going to repaint this. I broke that little piece off just now. But, yeah, some oxidation on the drivers, on the rods and stuff like that. You can see it. But that's really the key right there. But, you know something? I don't care. I'm going to pull this thing completely apart like I do most of my engines. And just rebuild the whole thing. I'll blacken out the wheels. I'll dirty it up a little bit. It's got wood grain on here, so maybe we'll do that. Maybe we'll try that wood effect stuff on here. The AK wood stuff, wood effect that I bought. We'll try that on here and see how that works. Yeah, it's a cool little engine. I mean, listen, what I paid for this thing, I really can't complain. So, you know, paint's a little chip, but like I said, I'm gonna muck this thing up for the fun of it. You know, I might put a. I'm going to say this now. I'm going to regret it later. Try to put a decoder in this thing. I don't know about sound. I have no idea where I would hide a speaker in this thing. I'd have to build out this back piece right here. Which really isn't that hard. Put a one of those sugar cubes in there, I guess. And you know, I guess that could be done. You know, I just don't know if I'm the guy to do it. So yeah, we'll take a look at it. So all right, stay tuned. But oh, hold on, let me put it on here for you. Show you it runs. It's kind of doesn't run good. It runs. And it's got that little hiccup in there. And yeah, it's dirty. So yeah. So it's got a little hiccup in there. We'll figure it out. So, but hey, thanks for watching Jack on Tracks and what's in the box, and I'll catch you later.